Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Akash Kumar. How are you? This video we write a program of factorial of a number given by user. So without waste of time, let's start the code. Write a fast boilerplate code as include iostream using namespace std int main return 0. So we write a boilerplate code of C++. We declare a variable int num which store a number given by user. So cout, I want to print a message cout, enter the number, and now send num. So we get a number by user. Now main logic start here. Now so we start a for loop which is initialize I equals to 1 and I is less than equals to given number by user num and I is plus plus. Now the main logic of the factorial here fact equals to fact into I. Now what is fact? So we initialize here int fact is equals to 1. Is fact is initialized equals to 1. So see out the value of factorial is fact. Now let's save it and run it. Now we entered a number of 5, so the value of factorial is 120. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you like this video. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.